Hello everyone, this is your Shekhar from SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing, the secret of success. Friends, today I would like to talk about wood part 4. For wood part 1, part 2 and part 3, I am giving the links in the description and I am leaving the icons on the top of the screen. Friends, for polite offers or invitations, we can use would. For this, its structure is would you like. For better understanding, let us see some situations. Just imagine, your friend has come to see you in your flat. You want to offer him something to eat or drink in a polite way. In this situation, you can use would you like. For example, would you like something to eat? Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like some bread? Would you like to have some milk? Would you like some cake? Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like some ice in your drink? What would you like to drink? What would you like, tea or coffee? What would you like for dinner, chicken or fish? Would you like some fruit? Let us see another situation. Just imagine you have got a book which is very interesting. A friend of yours is interested in that book. Then you want to invite him to borrow the book. Then how would you say? Very simple. Would you like this book? Would you like to borrow it? Would you like to take this book with you? One more situation. You are on a bus. You have a seat, but an elderly man is standing. Then you want to invite him to sit there, or you want to offer him your seat. Then what would you say? Would you like my seat? Would you like to sit down? Would you like to take my seat? Friends, in this way we can use would you like for polite offers or invitations. Friends, I'm very sure that you can use this structure would you like whenever such kind of situations arise in your daily life. Thank you so much friends. Have a great day. Bye bye.